In this video, I'm going to show you how to order food from Careem. So whether you're craving your favorite meals or trying something new, Careem makes it easy to order food right to your doorstep. So first, make sure you downloaded the Careem app from the App Store if you are using the iOS, or Google Play Store if you are using a Android. Now, open the app and log into your account, and then if you're new, you can sign up by entering your phone number and creating a password. Now, select the food option on the home screen, tap the food icon, and wait for it to load up. So this will take you to the food delivery sections where you can browse restaurants near you. So unfortunately, I don't have one yet. You can use the search bar or filters to find a restaurant and then browse the menu and select the food items you want to order, and then tap on an item to view details, customize options if available, and add it to your cart. So once you've added all the items, tap on the cart icon to review your orders and check the item's quantity and total cost. So if you have a promo code, enter it here for a discount, and then confirm your delivery address or add a new one. And then after that, choose a payment method. It could be a cash on delivery or credit card or current pay wallet. And after that, place order and track your order now. And that's it. That's how you order food from Careem. It's a quick, easy, and convenient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.